Hi, good afternoon. Hindi ang ka. Okay lang yung sound. Malinaw. Hindi. Tapos na. Kaya daw gusto lang yun. Good afternoon po. Kamusta na may exam nyo? Mahirap. Experience naman ng exam nyo. Mag-exam ba kayo? Pinahirapan din ako. Nakikita ko rin. Actually, kaya ano yan, ang exam na yan, pinagka-copy-paste ko lang sa exam bank ko. Yung mga exam. Tapos natuwa ako kasi hindi ko pa nakikita yung ano, yung November 2020, yung May 2020, yung May 2022. May lumabas na kasi. Chat niyo ako baka gusto niyo. Or meron na rin kayong kopya nung May 2022 na passport, no? Yung latest. Meron ako. Baka gusto niyo lang. Chat niyo lang ako. Saan? Nakita ko. Tapos, nagulat ako kasi meron dito yung parang, yun pala yun yung exam natin. Yun yung lumabas. Natuwa ako parang, nagulat pa ako na, uy, nasa exam ko to ah. Gutan. So, yun naman. Nasagot ko naman siya ulit. Masaya pa kasi konti pa lang yung topics nito. Hindi siya yung nakita niyo na daw yung passport. Daming ano, na daming terms. So yan, ito ba sa inyo? Sa akin hindi. Kita naman yung question. Bakit dito kamo? Wait lang. Ito naman yan. Kita naman yung buong problem na sa replay hindi makita. Sa kita naman lahat na. So yan, start na natin. This is the playboard 1 for mathematics. So nag-iba kasi yung pangalan ng ano, hindi na siya MSTE talaga. 'Di ba dati Mathematics Surveying and Transportation Engineering. So ngayon, Applied Mathematics Surveying, Principle of Transportation and Highway Engineering, Construction Management and Methods. So sa number 1, Find the fourth term of the expansion 2xy plus ayan. Find the fourth term of the expansion 2xy plus 3z squared raised to 9. 2xy plus 3z squared raised to 9. So, yan, hanapin natin yung fourth term. So, ako, ang formula ko sa r term, that is equal to n combination of m ako. M yung ginagamit ko. Then, x raised to n minus m. And then, y raised to m. Where m is equal to r minus 1. And then, n, yun yung in the form of x plus y raised to n. So, yan yung gamit kong formula. So, substitute ko lang for the fourth term. So, that is equal to n. Ang n natin is 9. Then, combination of m. Ang m natin is r minus 1, which is 4 minus 1, that is 3. And then, x raised to, ang x natin, that is 2xy. So, I have 2xy raised to 9 minus 3, which is 6. And then, y natin is 3z squared raised to 3. Simplifying, lahat ng coefficient, pag samasamahin lang natin. Wala akong calculator sa saglit. So, lahat ng coefficient are constant. So, nilista ko 9 combination. Wait na ba? Meron akong calcu dito. Yung calcu, gusto kong bibili kami ng nung sa Canon, hindi ko alam kung saan bibili. Na sabi ko na yun kay Seth, sabi ko, sir, gusto ko ako may kaming emulator ng Canon. Ayun. So, yan. Try natin input sa calcu. So, that is 9 combination of 3. Ganito ko lang siya nilalagay, no? Times. Siyempre, yung mga nasa parentheses, ilagay niya. 2 raised to 6. Ayan, ganyan po ako mag-solve, no? Minsan hindi ko na kasi sinusulat, no? 3 squared cube. Okay, so yan nilalagay ko. So that is 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 5, 2. And then lahat ng variable, x raised to 6, y raised to 6, and then z raised to 6. So this is the fourth term, which is letter C. Alam ko na ituro ko naman yung formula nito sa group study din. Imagine ko na kasi nag-group. Kung matindi yung group study. Attend ko yun alam niyo yung mga group study. Hindi ko sinasabi na lahat ng tinuturo ko lalabas, no? Meron at meron naman sa madaling. What if sa out of 75 na problem, may isang lumabas din. So, masaya. May 1 point. So, yeah. Next. Number 2, find the term involving y squared d in the expansion of 3x plus y squared minus z raised to 3. So, ito 3 term siya, hindi siya monomial, hindi siya binomial. So, this is a trinomial. So, paano ginagawa natin dito? Pwedeng i-multiply mo tatlong ganyan, tapos isa-isahin mo. Tapos hanapin mo na lang yung may variable na y squared raised to z. Or, pwede nyo rin mga i-group, no? Pwede rin ganito. I have 3x plus y squared minus z cubed. So, binomial na lang siya, no? Isang binomial tapos isang monomial. So, this is a binomial. So, n combination, for the r term, so, ang formula natin sa r term is equal to n combination of r minus 1. Pwede rin naman, ano, or m. Sige, r minus 1 na lang. R minus 1. Then, x raised to n minus r plus 1. Then, y raised to r minus 1. So, pwede rin yung formula nyo na yan. So, una, ang sabi dito z, 1 lang yung exponent ng z. So, ibig sabihin, si z, ito yun si y. So, z is equal to 1. Equate natin siya sa z raised to r minus 1. Okay? So, r minus 1. So, to solve for the r, so same base, this is 1 is equal to r minus 1. So, r is equal to 2. Okay? So, substitute natin. So, that is n, which is 3. Combination of 2 minus 1, that is 1. Then x, which is 3x plus y squared, raised to n, which is 3, minus 2 plus 1. So, that is 2. Or 3 minus 1, which is 2. And then z, negative z, sorry, raised to 1. Okay? So, ngayon, gamitin natin itong nasa gitna. So, I have 3x plus y squared, squared. Okay? So, ang kailangan natin, may exponent na y squared. Diba? Y squared yung kailangan natin. So, that is 2 combination of r minus 1. Uli, r minus 1. Para sa y naman, ano? And then, I have 3x raised to 2 minus r plus 1. And then, y squared raised to r minus 1. So, yung y daw natin dapat maging y squared. Okay? So, y squared is equal to exponent, that is y, 2r minus 2. So, what's the value of y? R. Equate natin yung yung exponent. That is 2r divided, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So, combination yan, ano? So, that is 2, yung r dito. So, I have 2r 2 combination of 1, kasi 2 minus 1, and then 3x raised to 2 minus 1, that is 1, and then y squared raised to 2 minus 1, that is also 1. Okay? So, yun. Itong nasa loob na to, tapos itong combination niyan, ito nasa loob na to, di ba yan yung pinangano natin. So, in-simplify na lang natin, that is 3 combination of 1 times yung nasa loob, that is 2 combination of 1 times 3x raised to 1, y squared raised to 1, and then negative z raised to 1. So, simplifying, so lahat ng constant at variable pagsamahin natin. So, input nyo sa calculus, 3 combination of 1 multiplied by 2 combination of 1 multiplied by 3 raised to 1, and then negative 1 raised to 1. Ay, ba't nag-error? So, let's set the time. Negative 18. So, simplify lang natin. I have negative 18. And then lahat ng variable, x raised to 1, y raised to 2, and then z raised to 1. So, sagot is negative 18x y squared z. So, that is letter B. So, kung apat, ganun lang din. Number 3, matapos natin maaga. Ang dami kasi nito. Okay, next ko na ano. Screenshot nyo na lang muna. Screenshot naman na. Okay, next. Number 3, two men set out from a certain place going in the same direction. The first travels at a constant rate of 8 kilometer per hour. So, yung first, tumatakbo ng 8 kilometer per hour. While the second goes 4 kilometer for the first hour. Second, 4.5 kilometer for the second hour. So, the time is equal to 1. That is, ang distance niya is 4 kilometer. So, this is the sum, no? S1. And then, the time 2 is equal to, ang S na niya is 8.5 kilometer, no? Sa first hour, 4 kilometer second, and then time 3, that is 3 hours. So, the S niya na is, nadagdagan ng 5, so that is 13.5 kilometers. Tama ba? So, yun. A sub 1, tama. So, ang A sub 1 natin is, so S sub n yung hinahanap natin, ano? Hindi natin kasi alam yung time. Kung ilan yung time. So, yun yung hinahanap. So, n, kung ilan yung time yun. So, the n over 2, for the time. Kasi pa isa-isa yan, di ba? Divided by 2, times ano yung formula natin? 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So, a sub 1 natin is 4. A sub 2 is equal to 5. So, 4.5 pala. And then, a sub 3 natin is 5. Tama, no? Kasi the first R, that is 4. So, kung pagsasamahin natin yung S sub 1, so S sub 2, S sub 3, pag pagsama-sama to, this is 13. So, S sub n yung hinahanap natin. So, pwede natin gamitin yung formula natin na to. And then, itong constant speed, tumatakbo siya na, so, ang distance niya is velocity times time, which is 8 kilometer times the time. And then, para mag-overtake si second man, dapat equal sila, dun sa equal na time na yon or sa equal na distance na yan, equal si D, tsaka si D, no? So, the S sub n, A sub n pala yung nahanap. Or S sub n, S sub n. So, yung total distance niya, sorry, sa total distance nung nag increment tapos di sa total distance ng constant speed, no? This is equal to the total distance traveled by the second man. Ito yung first man. Okay? D is equal to D. So, that is T over 2. 2 a sub 1, 2 times 4, plus n, hindi natin alam, or time na lang, minus 1, times the common difference of 0.5, is equal to 8t. Cancel si t. So, 8t is equal to, ano, 1/2 over 8 plus 0.5 alpha s minus 1 is equal to 8. Keep solve. So the time is 17 hours. Number 4, a block of monel alloy consists of 70% nickel and 30% copper. It contains 88.2 grams ng nickel. So, kung 88.2 ng grams ng nickel, tas yung total niyan, that is, so the 70% ng total ng alloy, tama? So, this is the total nickel. So, the total mass ng block ay 88.2 divided by 0.7. So, that is 126 kilograms. And then, ang sabi, yung copper daw is 30%. So, to solve for the copper, that is the 0.3 ng total. So, the copper is equal to 0.3 ng 126. So, ano yung 30% ng 126? That is 37.8 kilograms. Yun lang. Next, number 5. Sorry, nagmamadalian. Yung mga, nakita ko parang walang nakaan sa inyo. Mahirap talaga yung exam. Actually, tagal ko din sinolve na to. Parang mga, makatamad kasi, ang daming, alam ko siyang isolve, pero wala ako sa crucial moment na kailangan kong pumasa nito. Pero nasagot ko naman siya. If the cost per hour of for the fuel required to run a certain ship is proportional to the cube of her speed. So, cost is proportional to the cube of her speed, no? So, palitan natin, C is equal to KS cube. Is 20 pesos per hour for the speed, no? For a speed of 10 knots, so solve natin si K. So, 20 pesos is equal to K times the speed na 10 knots. So, the K is equal to 1 over 50. So, yan yung cost, no? Per hour, no? So, the cost is equal to S cube over 50. Okay? And if the other expenses amount 135 an hour, so 135 an hour, no? So the total cost is equal to S cube divided by 50 plus 135. Okay? So ang sabi dito, itong 135 per hour na yan, ano? So hindi naman sinasabi kung kada ilang speed yan, ano, yung 135. So i-divide na lang natin ng speed yung buong equation, no? So, yun. Divide mo lang ng speed para maging 135 per kada speed, no? So, divide mo yung buong equation by S. So, I have C over S is equal to S squared over 50 plus 135 over speed, no? And then, find the most economical speed at which to run her. Okay? So, i-differentiate lang natin para ma-solve natin yung most economical, no? Kasi di ba ini-equate natin sa zero para maging most economical. So the D of S, the D ng cost per speed is equal to S squared. Differentiate natin si S squared, that is 2S, divided by 50, plus minus, kasi constant, minus 135 divided by S squared. So equate natin sa zero, I have 2 speed divided by 50 minus 135 over S squared. Multiply natin ng S squared. So I have 0 is equal to 2S cubed over 50 minus 135. Ay, natatakpan. Solve for S. So, solve for S. Pwede nyo na may shift solve, no? Or ako, ganito ako mag-solve pag sinisipag. That is 135 times 50 divided by 2. Then, take the cube root. That is 15 knots. Hindi ako nag-shift solve, no? Hindi sa pag-a-connect ng shift solve. Screenshot nila. Tatakpan early. Issue. Here, ask ko lang paano malalaman mga pumasa sa table. Ipopost ko yung result. Post ko na lang po yung result. Hindi talaga, no? Ipopost ko na lang sa JC yung video. Ang ganda naman pala. Maganda naman pala dito. Kahit cellphone, malinaw naman tayo. Saglit. Ayan, ang ganda. Nakakatawa. Nakaka-proud yung sulat. At yung pang, medyo na ma-master ko na yung sulat sa pag in-upload ko kaya sa ano ko, wow, sa YouTube channel, maraming manonood. Sige, upload ko na lang dito sa YouTube channel. For the vlog ang person, ability. Abangan nyo, pagka sinipag ako mag-edit ng mga video, post ko talaga. Ano, may post naman ko sa YouTube channel. given the function of alpha is equal to 5 natural logarithm of 2 alpha minus the 4 natural logarithm of 3 alpha. Determine the first derivative. So the first derivative is equal to the natural logarithm of for the derivative ng ln x, that is 1 over x, so that is 5 over 2 over alpha times the derivative ng 2 alpha, that is 2, minus 4 divided by 3 alpha times the derivative ng 3 alpha, that is 3. Cancel, 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 cancel. So that is 5 minus 4, that is 1. So the first derivative of alpha is equal to the first derivative of the function is 1 over the alpha. Post nga, sige. Gamitin ko yung mga video. Pinagkakitaan pa yan. So next. Ito na, goyo ako nito eh, busy. Number 7. Dito naman pala, malinaw naman. In a geometric progression, so sinabi geometric ha, the sixth term is 8 times the third term. So ang sabi, the sixth term, sunod nyo, is equal to the 8 times ng third term. Okay? Ano ang formula ng arithmetic progression? Geometric progression. That is a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1 is equal to, yan yung formula, a sub n. So kung a sub 6, that is a sub 1 r raised to 6 minus 1 is equal to 8. A sub 1 r raised to 3 minus 1. Cancel si a sub 1, I have r raised to 5 is equal to 8r squared. So, cancel dalawa. So, matitira 3. Then, the cube root of 8. So, r is equal to 2. Okay? Next. The sum of the 7th and 8th terms. So, a sub 7, a sub 8, a sub 7 plus the a sub 8 is equal to 192. So, substitute lang ulit natin yung formula. So, I have a sub 1 r raised to 7 minus 1 plus a sub 1 r raised to 8 minus 1 is equal to 192. Meron tayo ng r which is 2. So, I have a sub 1, 2 raised to 6 plus a sub 1, 2 raised to 7 is equal to 192. So, solve for a sub 1, that is 192. Ano ito nga pala? Liit yung calculus. Paano ko siya sinasolve ganito? Common factor mo syempre, ano, di ba? 192 divided by 2 raised to 6 plus 2 raised to 7. So, a sub 1 is 1. Then, determine the sum of the 5th to 11th term. So, to solve for the sum ng 5th to 11, is equal siya sa sum ng 11 minus the sum ng 4. Okay? So, ang formula natin dyan is a sub 1, 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. Okay? So, substitute lang natin s sub 11, that is a sub 1, which is 1, 1 minus 2 raised to 11 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 raised to 4 divided by 1 minus 2. So S sub 5 to 11 is equal to, calculate. So 1 minus 2 raised to 11 divided by 1 minus 2. Kung nakasisipag ka mag-input sa calcu, minus 1 minus 2 raised to 4 divided by 1 minus, that is 2032. Kapag may nakita ka na 2032 sa choices, tapos ka pinagbalik-baliktad lang yung choices, mga 3022, ganon, 2023, ganon. Tama na yung sagot mo for sure. Tama, no? Kasi lahat ng 1 to 4, sum ng 1 to 4, minus mo na lang dun sa sum ng 1 to 11. Or kung may derived yung formula, pwede rin ganito. A sub 1, R raised to 4, minus R raised to 11 divided by 1 minus R. Pwede rin siya. S sub 5 to 11. And then kung n minus 1 dapat to eh. Yan dito. 5 to n minus 1. Number 8. The base diameter of a right circular cone. So dito pwede niyo siya i-drawing. Base diameter of a right circular cone is 18. And then the lateral area, so the lateral area is 516.4 centimeters square centimeters. Find its volume. So ang lateral area niyan is equal to pi r l. Okay? So kung ano yung slant height times lang sa pi r, no? So, derive formula na yan. No? Pwede rin naman i-solve nyo, no? Kunin nyo yung angle and so on. So on. So kung nakalimutan niyo yung formula na to, pwede kayong magbalik sa, ano, di ba magiging galing yan sa sector, tama? Ito yung slant height. This is the slant height. And then this is the theta. So the theta over 360 is equal to, kung ang kailangan mo ay, ano, S to, di ba? This is, itong surface na yan, sorry, yung circumference niyan, ng arc, that is the circumference ng bottom na ano na region ang circle, so the base, no? So kung pi d, so this is pi r over 2. Ay, 2 pi r pala. This is 2 pi r. Yung si radius yan dito yung r, 2 pi r. So that is 2 pi r divided by, natin ratio, the total circumference, which is 2 pi l. Okay lang. 2 pi l. Ito yung segment na. So, cancel. And then, i-ratio din natin siya sa area, no? So, ito na yung lateral area. I-ratio natin sa total area na 2 pi, sorry, pi r squared pala. Pi r squared times, L pala, pi l squared. Okay? So, equate natin si r over L. Yan. Cancel isang L, cancel isang L, cross multiply. So the lateral area is equal to pi r L. Ayun na, cross multiply nila. Okay? So the lateral area is 516.4 is equal to pi times the radius, this is 18, so 9 na lang. So this is L. So the slant height is, di ba ang kailangan natin height? So the slant height is 516.4 divided by pi 9. So that is 18.2639. And then to solve for the height, that is Pythagorean theorem, that is square root of L squared minus R squared. So the H is equal to the square root of L squared. Square root, square nyo na lang sa A to. The square root of A squared minus 9 squared. So that is 15.89. So the volume ng cone, that is pi over 3 R squared times the height. Pi over 3 times radius, which is 9, squared times 15.89. So the total volume is times pi over 3 times 9 squared. 1348. Parang mali yung unit na to, no? Pero 1348.05 centimeter cube. Okay lang. And then, i-convert mo kasi siya, dapat daw meter cube, no? So, i-convert mo siya, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then, cube mo to. So, i-divide mo ng 1,000 cube. 100 cube lang pala. So, the answer is 1.348 times 10 raised to negative. So, kung alin na lang yung equal, no? So, that is 1348. Yun na naman yung same ng button. Pero mali lang ng unit. Millimeter pala. That is 1348.0. Anong unit ba? Baka decameter yan. Ano? Basta ba sa table? Ang bad. So, ang highest sa math is 54. So, dapat sa 75 times 0.5, dapat greater than 50, no? So, ang mga may possible pang mga pumasa ay madami din pala naka 38 kayo, no? Piting ko bukas. Sino yung mga pumasa? Naka 54, ang taas. Oh. Kung may hindi nag-tick, ha? Okay lang naman na mababa kayo sa pre-board, no? Pagin lang kayo sa board. Ganon. Naalala ko nun, ay, bagsak ako sa pre-board, bawi sa board. Ay, bagsak ako sa bawi na lang. Next over 9. Grabe, nakaka 1 hour na to. If 3 people can do the task in 4 hours, how long will it take 5 people to complete the same task, assuming the rate? So ako, ganito ako mag-solve, ano. Unang person, ang rate niya is 1 over x. Since tatlo sila, sa times 3 ko na lang, no? Times 3. And then, yung time nila, 1 over 4. So, ito yung work nila, tas tatlo. So, solve for x, that is 12. And then, yung meron daw uling ano, find how long will it take 5 people. So, 1 over x, ito pa rin yung rate niya. And then, may 5 people ka daw. Ito yung time na. So, to solve for the time, that is 5 over 12 is equal to 1 over the time. Then, reciprocal mo lang, time is equal to 12 over 5 or 2.4 hours. Number 10, an entrance in the zoo is in the shape of the ellipse. 8 meter wide and then 5 meter high. If a 3 meter long horizontal member So, gumawa na tayo ng 3 horizontal member will be installed at the center for lighting. What is the vertical clearance of the zoo? So, ito yung nahanap nating H. So, this is 3 meters. So, this is 1.5 from the center, 1.5 from the center. This is 4 from the center. So, semi-ellipse yan. So, alam natin na ang A natin is 4. Ang B natin is 5. So, pwede mo input sa general equation ng ellipse, x squared over 4 squared plus y squared over 5 squared is equal to 1. So, ito na yung standard equation ng ellipse natin. And then, to solve for the y, so given na yung x na 1.5, then this is y, tama? Tama ko natin yung h. So, substitute na natin si 1.5 squared divided by 4 plus y squared over 5 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus 1.5 squared over 4, kulang ng squared, multiplied by 5 squared, then take the square root. That is 4.635. Number 11, Boyle's law states that the gas at constant temperature, the volume of the fixed mass is inversely proportional to its absolute pressure. Okay? So if the gas occupies a volume of 1.5 is equal to K, then at a pressure of 200 times 10 raised to 3 Pascal, so K is equal to, pinalitan ko na directly proportional, yung proportionality symbol, pinalitan ko na proportionality constant. So that is 300 times 10 raised to 3. Determine the volume. So, substitute na natin. Volume is equal to 300 times 10 raised to 3. Ito na yung K. Divided by when the volume, determine the volume when the pressure is 800 times 10 raised to 3. So, divided by 100 times 10 raised. That is 0.375 cubic meters. So, try nyo nung sulat na yung mga screenshot nyo para re-rate nyo na lang mamaya. Kahit malamig yung tubig. May matutuyo. Nakalabunan hanggang 30. Okay, next. Natin naman nilakan na. Adjustin natin. Ay, ito. Gusto ko yung mga ganito. A car has a mass of 100 kilogram. A model of the car is made to have a scale to 1:50. Determine the mass of the model car and its model are made of the same material. So, di ba kapag mass, yung scale factor natin, minumultiply natin na ang kinocube natin kasi mass yan. So, yung scale, ito yung scale sa ito yung sa model, tapos ito yung sa mass. So, x is to 100. So, x is equal to 100,000 pala times 1/50. So, that is 0.008 per 13. A curve having an equation of y is equal to ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx. Ito erroneous to. Nakita niyo erroneous to? Pansin niyo. Ako napansin ko din kasi na erroneous siya. Will have a slope of 4 at its point of inflection, negative 1,5. Find the value of a. So, una, kunin natin yung first derivative. So, I have 3ax squared plus 2bx plus c. Diba? First derivative. Then, the second derivative is equal to 6ax plus 2b. Okay. So, alam natin itong negative 1,5, this is a point on the curve. So, pwede natin i-substitute yung negative 1,5 sa curve. So, this is 5 is equal to negative 1, yung x. So, negative 1 raised to 3, that is negative 1. So, I have negative a. B times negative 1 squared plus 1, positive, minus c. So, this is our first equation. Next, meron daw tayong slope na 4 dito. So, ang slope natin sa point of inflection, that is 4. So, I have 3a, x. So, ang x natin is negative 1. So, substitute lang natin. Negative 1 squared, that is positive 1. So, I have 3a plus, minus, kasi yung x natin negative 1. So, minus 2b plus c. And then, Sabi, point of inflection. So, di ba kapag point of inflection, ang y double prime ay 0. And then, ang x natin is 1. Negative 1, sorry. So, I have negative 6a plus 2b. So, I have 3 equations. 3, a, b. So, ngayon, input natin sa calcu, So, mode 5, 2. So, that is negative 1, 1, negative 1, 5, 3, negative 2, 1, 4, negative 6, 2, 0, 0. So, that is negative 5, negative 9. So, ang lumabas na sagot ay negative 9, negative 27, negative 23, which is wala sa choices. So, ako, tinry ko, ganito. So, what if baka na mali yung point ka ko, no? This is negative 1, negative 5, no? So, palitan lang naman natin si y, which is negative 5. So, this is negative 5. So, magiging negative 5 na to. So, masasolve na natin si A, B, and C pa rin. So, ang A natin is 1. Ang B natin is 3, and then 7. 1, 3, and then 7. So, what's the value of A? That is 1. So, erroneous siya, no? That is negative 5 dapat. Number 14. A model boiler. A model of a boiler having an overall height 75 millimeter corresponding to the height of the actual boiler. That is 75 is to 6 meter. This is millimeter and then meter. And then, if the area of the metal required for the model is, so alin yung model? Ito, di ba? 1, 2, 500 square millimeter divided by the area of the metal, the actual border, x na lang natin. And then, ni-ratio natin yung area sa side. So, squared natin yung side. So, solve for x. So, the x is equal to 80 centimeters. Ganyan lang po kapag ratio, no? Kung area, ni-ratio mo sa side, squared mo yung side. Kung yung area, ratio, yung side, ni-ratio mo sa volume, i-cube mo yung volume. Then yung side, ni-ratio mo sa weight, i-cube mo yung weight. Ay, natatakpan. My friend. Friend. Oh, kaya 3 pa. 20 sa 1 hour. So, 20 times 3 hours. The item. Woo! So, hindi pala tayo nakakatin sa 20. 14, 15 times 1. So, 3 times 15, 45 times 4 times 15. Kulang 4 hours. Ayan. Pagka hindi natapos, edi next week, sabay na, bago mag-start ang GUS. 50 items lang naman yung GUS. Number 15, the angle of depression of the ship viewed at a particular instant from a top of 75 vertical meter Vertical clip is 30 degrees. And then, ayan. And then, next naman, the ship is moving away the clip at an instant of, um, away at an instant constant speed. And 1 minute later, its angle of depression from the top of the cliff is 20 degrees. So, di ba, ito yung angle of depression. So, this is 30. So, ibig sabihin, this is 30 din. This is 20. This is also 20. So, kung 20 and this is 10. This is 150. And then, this is the side X. Then, this is the, ay nahanap natin. This is 75. So, assume ko this is Z. So, I have sine 30 is equal to 75 over Z. So, Z is equal to 75 over sine of 30. Kung tinatamad ako mag-type, no? Okay, yaman na siya dyan. And then, gamit yung triangle na to, bigyan natin ng name, A, B, C, D. So, the triangle BCD, this is the triangle ABC, no, or PAC. Okay? So, sine law, x over sine, parang ganito yung tinuro ko, is equal to z over sine 1, sine 20. So, x is equal to, calculate nyo lang, ang kagandahan lang, one-liner mo na lang siya isusolve mo. So, that is z. What is z? 75 sine of 130, and joke, sine 30, times sine 10, diba, cross multiply mo lang, divided by the sine of 20. That is 19.04. This is in meters. And then 1 minute to solve for the speed. So the speed is distance over time divided by 60. So that is 19.04 divided by 60. So this is meter per second. Okay? Times lang natin ng 3, 6 divided by 1,000 para maging kilometer per hour. Or times mo lang ng 3.6. So the velocity is equal to divided by 60 multiplied by 3.6. That is 1.14. Teka, parang mali ako ng multiply. Mali ako ng calculus. Yung z pala natin is 75 over sine 30. Tama? So that is 76 point. So yung sagot ay 76.16. 76.60. So the velocity is 4.5069 kph. Number 16, Okay, next. Determine the area enclosed by the curve y is equal to 2x plus 3 and the x-axis. So, siguro ganito na lang, drawing nyo na lang. Assume nyo ganito yung drawing natin. So, ano, no. Siguro increasing naman siya, no? So, kanyari yun yung line. Kanyari yun yung line. So, this is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Pero pwede nyo rin naman siya iguhit. And then x is equal to 1. So, this is x is equal to 1. And then this is what x is equal to 4. Then the x-axis. Okay? So, kunin natin yung coordinate nito. Since ang mabubuo natin dyan is a trapezoid, no? So, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. So, this is 0.15. So, ang height nito simula sa y-axis is 5. And simula sa x-axis is 5. And then, x is equal to 4. So, substitute lang natin. Y is equal to 4. That is 2 times 4, 8, plus 3, 11. So, this is 4, 11. Okay? So, mukha nang maganda drawing. So, this is 11. And then, distance nito, 3. So, trapezoid. So, the area ng trapezoid is equal to 1 half base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So, area is equal to 1 half base 1, which is 5 plus 11 times the height of this. So, the area is equal to 24 square units. Ano? Okay, next. Number na tayo. Number 70. Given the four squares in the figure below, determine the area of the square. So ako, ang ginawa ko dito, nag-ano ako, nag-calcu na lang. No? Tinakpan ko yung calcu. Tinry ko to siya sa calcu. Paano ko siya tinry sa calcu? Ang sabi, mga square daw siya. No? So, hanapin ko na lang yung magpe-perfect square, no? Actually, pwede naman din siyang hindi perfect square, pero try na rin natin. So, that is 208 plus 16 plus 64 plus kung ano yung choices, no? Ika-count ko na lang ng 18. So, yung 306. Perfect square ba siya? Hindi, no? Next, 25. That is 25 perfect square din ba siya? Hindi. 36. Try natin 36. So, that is 324. Perfect square by 324. Square root of 324. Ay, perfect square, 18. 25. Square root of 313. Perfect square. Then 49. Square root of 337. Here. Pero, malay natin, hindi pala talaga siya perfect square na baka ibang side yung nakuha natin, no? Pero, try na rin natin. So, ang sabi, assume natin na this is x, side x, no? Side x, side x. Ito, y na lang. Y na lang natin yung yellow square. So, ito, since perfect square daw tong 16, so ang side niyan is 4. Ang side nito ay 8. So, ang first equation natin is 12 plus y is equal to x. Tama? Yung side na to equals siya sa x. And then the area, which is x squared, is the total squared equals siya sa 16 plus 64 plus 208 plus y squared. Tama? Yung total area, which is x squared, equals siya sa y squared. So, x squared minus y squared is equal to 10 plus 64 plus 208, 288. Okay? So, transpose ko to, I have x minus y is equal to 12. Okay? Tama? So, ito, this is a difference of 2 square. Pwede rin naman na x, substitute mo kay y. Si x substitute nyo kay x, si y substitute nyo kay y. Pwede rin yan. No? Pero ako, ito naisip ko, x squared minus y, this is x plus y is equal to 288. Ayokong guluhin yung inisip ko. No? So, alam ko x minus y is 12 is equal to, sorry, x plus y is equal to 288. So, x plus y is equal to, magkano yan? 288 minus, divided by 12. That is 24. So, I have x plus y, saka x minus y. Okay? So, x minus y is equal to 12. And then x plus y is equal to 24. Solve for x and y. Mode 5, 1. That is 1, negative 1, 12, 1, 1, 20. That is 18 and 6. So, ang side pala nito ay 6. Therefore, y area is equal to 30. Hindi man nakuha ko lang sa TikTok yung problem na yun. Teka, screenshot niyan. Sabihin niyo pala pagka mag-screenshot kayo para makapag-post. Number 18, in the United States, the percent of the adult logging has changed within the various age ranges from 2007 to 2009. The function y is equal to negative 4.5x plus 24 can be used to estimate the percentage of the adults of under 30 who blog, and the function y is equal to 2x plus y can be used to estimate the percent of adults over 300 who blog. For the both function of x is the number of years after 2007. If this trend continues, predict the years in which the percent adults under 30 who blog was the same, no? So, equate na lang natin yung both na y. So, I have negative 4.5x plus 24 is equal to 2x plus 7. So, x is equal to 2 at x. That is 2.6 years from 2007. So, yung year that is 2007 plus 2.6 years, that is 2009.6. So, assume na lang natin, rounding off, so that is 2000. Kasi di ba, 0.6. So, after mo ng 2009, so, nasa 0.6, ilan ba yun? 0.6 divided by 12 times 12. 7, nakaka 7 months ka na din. So, year lang naman yung nahanap, so 2010. Pas ka na ng 2009. Beach and Fargo are about 300 miles apart. So, lagay natin this is the beach. Beach and Fargo. About 300. A salesperson traveled from Fargo to baliktad pala. Upstream pala. So, this is Fargo to beach. A salesperson traveled from Fargo to beach one day at a certain speed. So, papunta siya ng velocity. She returns to Fargo the next day. She returns to Fargo next day and drive what faster, no? Nung pababa siya, that is, yung dadagdagan ng 10 miles per hour. Her total time travel was 14 hours. So, the time travel is 14 and 2/3 or 14 and 2/3. That is 44 over 3 hours. Find her speed to beach and return speed to Fargo. So, yung B tsaka B plus 10. No? So, substitute lang natin. Velocity is equal to distance over d time. May velocity tayo. So, yung total time natin, velocity 1. So, the time 1 is equal to velocity over, distance over velocity pala. Time 1 is distance over the velocity. Then, the time 2, time 1 natin, yung distance natin is 300 miles. papunta, divided by yung velocity niya papunta ng beach, no? And then, time to natin is equal to 300 pa rin, pabalik na siya, divided by, mas mabilis na siya, b plus 10. So, simplifying the equation, the total time travel is 44 over 3 is equal to 300 over b plus 300 over b plus 10. So, b is equal to 50 miles per hour. Ito yung papunta sa beach. Okay? And then, papunta balik, b plus 10, that is 60 miles per hour. Number 20, from the top of the building, drawing yung building, an observer watches a boat sailing towards the building. If the observer is 300 feet above the sea level and if the angle of depression of the boat changing to 25 to 40, this is 100 feet above and then 25 down to 40. During the point of approximate the distance that the boat traveled, this is x. So, lagyan natin to, this is z. So, this is 140. Then, this angle is 15. Tama? 25 plus 15, that is 30. 40 plus 140, that is also 40. So, using sine law, so, z is equal to 100 over sine 40. Okay lang? Sine 40 is equal to 100 over z. Sine 40 is 100 over c. So, z is equal to, parang nalito ako, 100 over, pinagulit ko, tama naman. Then, sine law, x over sine 15 is equal to z over sine 25. So, x is equal to, nakakalculate na, 100 over sine 40 times sine 15 over sine 20. So that is 95.28. Naki. Eh, ang ganda. Nakakatuwa. Ang ganda ng font. Ito na to. Arial na to. Ito na. 21. Dahan natin. Tapos next week. Higahan natin. A rectangular sheet metal is, oh, shucks. A rectangular 12 inches wide, 12 inches wide is made into a rain gutter by turning up two sides. Okay? So iangat daw natin, no? So, assume natin na this is X, and then this is what? To be made up by gutter so that they're perpendicular to the sheet, how many inches should the turn, so yung X na hinahanap, the greatest capacity. So, ibig sabihin, yung maximum area. So, the X, 2X plus Y, this is the length of the gutter, which is 12 inches. And then, yung area niya is XY is equal to 12. Pero, actually, volume, di ba dapat? Times mo pa ng Z. Kaso, any length naman yun, yun yung magiging maximum volume. So, yan. Ha? So, yan. So, substitute lang natin. Ay, sorry. 12. This is the area. So, to solve for the, substitute lang natin. This is y is equal to 12 minus 2x. So, the area is equal to y. So, x times 12 minus 2x. So, differential area. So, distribute na lang natin si x, no? So, I have 12x. 12 times the derivative ng x, that is 12dx. Minus 2x squared minus 4x. Then, equate natin to solve the greatest capacity. So, 12 minus 4x. X is equal to, ito lumabas ko sa boards last week, last time, no? Problem na to. Lumabas ko sa board. Last time. Gulat ako, lumabas pala ito. Kopya ko lang naman yung problem nito kung saan sa. Number 22. A regular octagon is to be made by cutting isosceles right triangle from the corners of the square with a side of 16 centimeters. So, isosceles. Ayan, isosceles. So, isosceles right triangle, ibig sabihin equal yung mga sides niyan, ano? Since isosceles yan, this is x, this is also x, this is also x, this is also x, 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 x. Ayan. Para maging regular octagon yan, so ibig sabihin, ano yung side nito? This is x square root of 2. This is also x square root of 2, x square root of 2, x square root of 2. Tama? Since regular octagon yan, dapat x square root of 2 din to. Okay? This is also x square root of 2. So, yung total length, yung side ng rectangle square is 16. So, ibig sabihin, x plus x square root of 2 plus x is equal to 16. Solving for x, that is equal to 16, 1 plus square root of 2 plus 1. So, that is 4.686. centimeter. Okay? Okay. So ito, side pa lang yan ng isosceles triangle. Eh, ang hinahanap natin, side ng octagon. So that is, ang side ng octagon is x square root of 2. So times lang natin ang square root of 2 yan. So we got 6.627. Hindi na naman. Number 24. The recommended load for the ceiling joist with the rectangular cross-section varies directly load. It varies directly as the product of the width times the square of the depth of the cross-section and inversely load. Ano na lang to, maximum load. So, force P na lang, no? Force P na lang gawin na. Force the product of the divided by the length. Okay? As inverse, if the recommended load is 80 pounds, 800 rather, sorry, hindi mo kinaya. K times the width. So, ano yan, 2 by 3. Sinasabi dyan that is 2 by the depth of 6 squared divided by the length of 12 feet. So, K. Yung iba hindi na nila sinisimplify yan. Pero tayo simplify na natin. Sayang naman yung calculator natin kung hindi natin gagamitin. So, cross-multiply nyo lang. 800 times 12 divided by 2 times 6 squared. So, that is 400 over 6. So, this is our K. Okay. And then, what is the recommended load? So, P is equal to K, which is 400 over 3. And then, for the 2-inch, by the depth of 12 squared divided by the length of 16. So, for P is equal to answer multiplied by 2 times 12 squared over 6. That is 2,400. Ano kung kaya nyo to medyo siguro kinakapos lang kayo sa time. Kung kaya nyo i-solve yan. May nag-chat. Teka nga. Sir, wala pong 22. Ay, galing. Thank you. Sige, ano ba yung number 20? Okay. Sige, sagutan natin yung 22. After na to. Ay, ang galing. Mahirap din kasi yung number 20. Pwede na mali ako dito. Hindi ko na masolve. Mali pala ako ng drawing. Binaliktad ko. Ay, ang bopis. Okay, next. Screenshot. The cross-section of a semi-elliptical throw, 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 has a diameter of 18 inches and the height of 12 inches. So, pagka throw, di ba parang ganun? Okay. Electrical throw with a diameter of 18 inches and then the height of 12 inches. Okay? So, ito ellipse pa rin, ano? Determine the width of the water surface if the throw, ayan, of the water, if the water surface throw is a depth of 8 inches. So, ibig sabihin this is So, gawin niyo ulit siya ng equation. Okay? So, kung 18 yan, this is 9, this is 9. So, x squared over a squared plus y squared over d squared is equal to 1. So, this is our standard form ng ellipse. Okay? So, ito yung nahanap natin. This is x. This is also x. No? So, 2x pala yung nahanap natin. So, kung 8 yan, this is 4. Okay? Dito yung reference natin, ano? This is our x-axis. Okay. So, yung x natin dito is yun yung nahanap, which is x squared. Over ang a natin is 9. Okay lang, 9 squared. Plus y. Ang y natin gagamitin is pwede namang negative 4, no? Kasi pababa siya. No? Pwede 4 na lang. Eh, kasi pwede naman negative 4. Mas squared lang din naman siya. And then, ang b natin is 12. Is equal to 4. Baka sabihin nyo, mas malaki yung ano, mas malaki si A, mas malaki si B kaysa kay A. Eh, dipilita rin nyo lang yun. So, ibig sabihin, yung major axis natin dito, parallel siya dito sa y-axis. Yun lang naman yun. So, solving for x, so that is 1 minus 4 squared over 12 squared multiplied by 9 squared. Then take the square root. That is 8.458. 485 pala. Uy, lumabas. Nakita ko siya. Oh, may 4.8. Kaso, yun yung x pa lang yon. That is 2x. So, the 2x is equal to, baka ma-excite kayo, bilugan nyo agad yun ha. So, that is 16.971. No, baka mabilugan nyo agad yung, ay, hindi nakita akong sagot. So, mamamalik po kayo. So, 25. So, yung ano, hirap eh. Skip na lang natin 25 pa rin. Alam ko yung sasagot niyo dito 36. Kasi 36 yung nasa board exam. Past board to. Tapos nakwento ko naman na to sa habang nagtuturo dati. After the recent volcanic activity of Mayon volcano, volcanologists assess the height of the smoke viewed from the top of the crater by establishing two control points marked as point A and B. The 2 points are 9 kilometers apart and are of the same horizontal level with Mayon. So, drawing natin yung horizontal level para maganda. Ayan yung horizontal level. Tapos, lagyan natin ng Mayon. Siyempre, parang kunwari may Mayon volcano. Kaya yung Mayon volcano. For the drawing of person na really see. Okay. Angle of elevation of point A to the crater of the Mayon volcano is 8 degrees. Okay, so kunyari ito si point A. Tapos, point A yan. Okay? Tapos may ano yan. And also the top and the bottom of the smoke. Oh, yun know, may subtended. So, lagyan natin ito ng smoke. Natin na ito yung height ng smoke. Denoted as H. Okay lang. Okay. Tapos, the same horizontal with the point B being closer from the foot. So, assume natin na ito si letter B. Tapos, this is 9 kilometer. And then, nag-subtend daw siya, no? So, this is, nag-tend niya din. Okay lang. So, this is 64 degrees. This is also 64 degrees. And then, this is 8 degrees. Okay? Next. Ayan. So, paano gagawin natin dyan? Skip na lang, no? Mahaba kasi. So, pwede nyo gawa ng mga equation yan. Ayan, may mga nasa kayong equation. Pero ako, I suggest, ito na yung aralin yan. Ako, ang una kong naisip din dito is, gamit na lang ako ng mga variable. Pero, meron pala siya isang madaling solution. So, mag-drawing ako ng circle, no? Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Nagamit tayo ng properties ng circle. Ang hirap naman ito. Basta imagine niyo na lang. Ang una kong naisip, that is a cyclic quadrilateral, no? May drawing na maayos. Hindi siya scaled. Kaya scale yan. Ay! Next. Grade. Kunyari scale yan, no? Kunyari circle yan. Ang una kong naisip, di ba kunwari meron tayo, di bang ano, for example, meron tayong chord, naalala to? Pag meron tayong chord dyan, yeah, may chord tayo na H. Di ba sa circle, kunyari may chord kang ganyan. Kapag sinubtend mo yan, equal din dito yan sa subtend niyan, di ba? So, kung 64 degrees yan, sinubtend niya din to ng 64 degrees. Okay lang. So, galing pala siya sa cyclic quadrilateral. May hint yan, sine law yung gagamitin. So, ano-ano ang mga pwede natin gamitin dyan? Kung 90 degree, yung 64 to, this is 64 plus 8, this is 72. Ibig sabihin, ito right triangle siya. So, that is, ang buo nito ay 90 minus 72. Okay lang. So, that is 18. Okay, 18 yung buo na to. Lagyan natin 18 degrees. Okay? So, ano pang mga alam natin? Kung 18 degrees to, tapos ito 64, ito makukuha natin. Tama, makukuha natin to. That is 64 plus 18. 180 minus 64 minus 18. That is 98. Nasundan? Lagyan natin ng note. This is CD. The triangle ACD. No? Ay, hindi na yan. This is triangle ACD. This is 18, 98, 64. Okay? So, kung 64 to, eto, makukuha natin to, itong angle na to. Tama, makukuha yan, ano? This is 72, gamit ang triangle ABC. That is, magkano siya? Sundan niyo lang, no? This is 64 plus 8, sorry. 64 plus 8, 72. Plus 80, and then, ito, anong angle to? Wala pa tayo nito, no? Wala pa pala nito. Wala natin siya masusunod. It's 98, ano pa ba? 98, 8. Okay, ano po? Pwede natin makuha. Ito. Di ba cyclic quadrilateral to? Naalala? Itong ABDC. Lagyan natin AB. Palitan natin pangalan nito. ABCD. ABCD. A, B, C, D. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. So remember the cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D. Alam natin si A plus C is equal to 180. And then B plus D is 180. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, this is 64. And then, ang opposite niya, ito. So, 64 plus 8, 72. Plus, ito, para makuha natin yung angle na to. Tama? So, that is 72, 180 minus 98 minus 70. So, this is 10. Okay lang, this is 10. So, ngayon makukuha na natin to, yung angle na to. Tama? That is 8 plus 10 plus 64. So, minus na lang natin ng 180. 180 minus 8 minus 10 minus 64. So, paglalaruan nyo lang yung angle, no? 98. So, this is 98 degrees. So, ngayon, masasolve na natin tong angle na to. Okay lang? 98 plus 64 plus 8. And then 180 minus. So, this is 10. 10 pala. So, this is 8 degrees. So, ano yung mga pwede natin gamitan ng triangle dyan? Using the triangle ABD. So, drawing ko yung ABD. This is AB. Drawing ko ano? This is ABD. This is 72. This is 9. This is 98. This is 10. Okay? So, ang kailangan natin si BD. So, sign law lang. BD over sine of 72 is equal to 9 over sine of. Okay? Next. Gamitin natin si triangle BCD. Drawing ko ulit si BCD. So, kung napaglaruan nyo na yung, yung units, yung mga angles, pwede nyo na siyang isulat. This is BCD. So, this is the height of smoke. This is 64. Okay? This is 8. And then this is 98. Tama ba? 180 yan. 98 plus 8 plus 64. Wait, 170 lang. Ay, sorry. 98 plus 10 pala to. This is 108 na. 108. Kasi ito yun. Ito yung kailangan natin. Yung angle na to. 98 plus 10. So, using the sine law, BD over sine 108 is equal to H over sine 64. Okay? So, substitute lang natin yung BD. So, masasolve natin si H, which is 9 sine of 72 over sine 10. Yan si BD. Multiplied by sine 64 over sine 108. The answer is 46.58 or 47 kilometers. Pagbabago na lang ng units, no? Kamali na naman sa units. Nasa 30 items. Ito yan, nakalala mo. Recall niyo lang yung mga properties ng circle, no? Actually, kung lumabas yan sa boards namin, gagawin ko din yung kamukha ng ginawa ng estudyante ko. Iuhuli ko siya, tapos dadamihan ko na lang yung time para ma-solve siya. Gamit ako ng alpha, beta, h, x. So kung ako, ganito yung isipin ko talaga. Lalagay ako dito ng alpha, lalagay ako ng y, lalagay ako ng x. No, this is h. Lalagay ko yung h. So, I have 4 equations for unknowns. Manually, isolve mo siya. Sige. Actually, 8 yung iba dyan. Alam mo ba, yung sa board exam, 8, naalala ko 8 yan. Siyempre, ako ilulok spam ko yan. Siyempre, medyo napag-isipan ko na yung gagawin yon. Napag-isipan yung gagawin. So, that is 8. So, kung gagawin ko siyang 8, I have 8 sine 72 divided by sine 10. Okay? And then, multiply ko lang ng sine 64 over sine 108. No? So, that is 42 pala yung sagot niya dito. 42. 42 ba yung sagot niya dito? Ito binago ko yung sagot dito. Ah, 7 pala yung sa 7 pala yung sa board exam. 7 kilometers. So, 36 yung choices. 36 yung lalabas. Okay guys, baka 4 lang ako. Next. Agahan na lang natin next week. A farmer has a plant arranged in rows, but they require an irrigation ditch. He find that he must take out the plant. He must take out the plant out 5 plants from each row. He can then make 6 more rows. Find the original number of plants in each rows. So, lagay natin na yung x is the original number of plants in row. Okay? In a rows or in a row. So, yung y, assume natin na yung y, yan yung original number of rows. Okay lang. And then, syempre, kung may 600 plants, so yung product ng plants tsaka rows, 600. Okay lang. Di ba? Kung ilan yung plants dun sa rows, times mo lang. Kung ilang rows yon times mo kung ilang plants. So, makakuha mo yung total number of plants. And then, ang sabi, magbabawas ka daw ng 5 plants, tapos, madadagdagan yung rows, di ba? So, yung plants, original number of plants, x minus 5, multiply natin na y minus y plus 6 kasi nadagdagan yung rows. Kaso wala namang nabawas sa halaman mo kasi nilipat mo lang naman, di ba? At nabawasan yung plant sa rows, pero makakadagdag ka ng rows, no? Parang imagine niyo na sa ano kayo. Tapos substitute niyo lang, x is equal to y for the very thing tayo, for the very thing. This is x is equal to 600 over y. So substitute lang natin. 600 over y minus 5. And then dahil tinatamad ako, we will use strip solve. So y is equal to 24. Or dalawa yung makukuha yung values dyan. That is negative 30. Therefore, x is equal to 25. So ang hinahanap na, bakit mali yung naka-highlight? Mali yung highlight. Wala, mali. So find the original number of plants in a row. So the number of plants in a row is the x. So that is the 25. Pangit ba yung pink? O okay lang. Ano ganda naman pala. Hindi na naman mapagod na naman. Ah, 27. So lumabas din daw to. Board exam din pala to. Grabe. Kung ako yung nag-board exam nito, baka hindi ko masagot. Pero try nating i-discuss kung paano ko din siya naintindihan. A cat is now 50 of her own lips ahead of the dog, which is pursuing her. So, nauuna daw si cat ng talon sa aso ng 50 lips. How many more lips will the cat take before it is overtaken? If she takes 5 lips, while the dog takes 4 lips. Okay, no? So, yung ratio natin, si cat, saka si dog, may ratio. Si cat, 5 lips. Si dog, 4 lips lang. Okay, no? So, this is our first equation. That is 4c. Okay, sige. Equal to c is equal to 4c over 5. Okay lang? So, yung ratio natin, ano, si cat, 5 lips. Si dog, 4 lips. But, two of the dog's lip are equivalent to the cat lip. So, assume natin na yung two lips ng dog equal daw siya sa three lips ng cat. Okay lang? So, assume natin this is L. L na lang. Therefore, ang L ng isang cat is equal to, so yung cat is equal to lip ng cat is L over 3. Okay? So, ang lip ng dog is L over 2. Okay lang? So, assume natin na ang isang lip ng dog, multiply na lang natin. Kung the total number ng lip ng dog, i-multiply natin sa lip ng dog, which is L over 2. Is equal to the lip ng cat. Kaso si cat, meron na siyang 50 lip na, no? Ka-50 lip na si cat. So, dagdagan na lang natin ng 50 lip yung cat. Times natin sa rate ni cat. Okay? So, we have two equations to ano, cancel na lang natin yung lip. No? So, si dog, that is 4c over 5 times 2, which is 10. So, saan galing yung 10? That is 2 times 5 is equal to c plus 50 over 3. So, what's the value of c? 4c or 4x over 10 is equal to alpha x plus 50 over 3. So, that is 250. So, sa 250 ni cat, maabutan na siya ni dog, which is, ilang steps si dog? 250 times 4 over 5. 200 na lang si dog. 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 Ano ba tayo? May ketchup, wait lang. An oil drilling rig in the Mexico stands one-fifth of the sun. Okay? So, total. So, lagyan na natin yung total height, no? Hindi ko na drawing, no? So, yung total niya is one-fifth nung sun. So, lagyan na natin one-fifth total. Plus 20 feet in water. Plus the two-thirds nung total is yan. So, equals that, total ng rig. Ito yung sa sun, ito yung sa water, ito yung sa air. So, what's the value of T? That is 150. Okay. Okay. Ayan, next. Again, asikaso ko, may ano kami, may marketing kami sa ibang school sa PUP Manila. Kailangan ko yung nagpe-present. So, in-chat ibang instructor na. Where na tayo? 20, sorry, number 29. Kasi tapos the oil rig, that is 28. So, let's go for number 29. Melvin, ito yung ayokong. So, Melvin was enjoying the afternoon, rowing the lazy shore upstream when his baseball cap is fell in the water. So, yan yung ano. So, yan. Enjoying the water. So this is, assume natin na this is the point where the cup drop. So lista na lang natin. Melvin was enjoying the afternoon rowing lazy shore, leisurely upstream when his baseball cap fell in the water. So absorbed was he is listening to the music from his earphones that it was 12 minutes before he discovered the cap. So siguro nandito na siya. Missing and turned around and recovered the cup 1 kilometer downstream. So, downstream pababa. So, dito siguro yung flow of water, no? This is the current. Papunta doon. Papunta siya doon. Where it fell, assume that the constant speed downstream. Baliktad. Ito pala yung ano. Pabalik pala siya. No? Yan yung flow ng current, no? Assuming that the constant speed, so meron tong velocity, and neglecting the time for the turnaround, what was the speed of the current, no? So, ibig sabihin, naglakbay na siya dito, no? So, yung velocity niya against sa current. So, B minus C. And then dito, this is the current ng, ano, ng downstream, ng river, no? River ba siya nag-receive? Or sa water. Tapos, dito sa point na to, dyan sa ginuhit ko na yan, dyan nalaglag yung cup. Okay, nalaglag yung cup niya dyan. So, nag-travel na siya papunta dito. Tapos, syempre, yung cup, malalaglag doon. Since downstream yan, napupunta dito yung cup, no? Kasi, umuusad din yan kasi magpo-flow yan. No? And then, dun sa part na yan, yung distance natin, um, he turned around and recovered the cup 1 kilometer downstream. So, ito, 1 kilometer pala to. 1 kilometer. So, yeah. He turned up from the copper it assuming. So that is 12 minutes, no? So nag-travel na siya ng 12 minutes dito. Okay? So yung distance na una, yung nag-travel siya, tama ba? So the distance 1, na nag-travel siya ng 12 minutes, nakapag-travel na siya ng 12 minutes. So that is distance. Sulit mo yung formula, nakakalimutan ko. Velocity is distance over time. So the distance is velocity times time. So yung velocity niya, minus natin yung current, velocity minus c, times the time, which is 12 minutes, or 12 divided by 60, 1 over 5. So this is our distance 1. And then, yung distance 2, tama ba? This is the distance 2, which is the distance ng cup, and then, yung distance ng cup, and then yung current, so that is the current times the time, which is current times 1 over 5 din. Okay lang? So, yan yung distance 1, distance 2. And then, the distance nung boat tsaka nung cup is, pagsamahin lang natin. So, distance 1. So, yung distance nito traveled by the cup, no? So, the distance after 12 minutes ay B minus C 1 over 5 plus C 1 over 5. Ito, C 1 over 5. So, ang distance nun is B 1 over 5. Cancel yung C over 5. Okay? So, this is the distance na nila, no? Tapos, he turned around 1 kilometer downstream. So, yung total distance traveled niya is 1 kilometer. Okay? So, how to solve for the distance? Okay, yung cup, syempre nag-travel din yan, ano? So, times na rin natin siya si cup times the rate ng flow, no? So, that is C over 5 pa rin. Plus, yung ito, papunta na siya, no, sa, tawag dito, sa downstream na siya. Ibig sabihin, yung speed ng boat, bibilis na siya, no? How to solve for the speed of boat? So, that is, this is the rate. So, the rate ng cup, times, this is the velocity ng boat kasi kasama yung boat kasama yung downstream. Ima-minus natin yung rate ng cup, no? Dito sa downstream na to. Then times natin ng V over etong yung cup, no, yung nag-travel, times lang natin sa dt or to solve, so the time is equal to the distance between the man and the cup divided by the rate speed downstream minus the speed ng current. So, yun yung working equation natin. So, C times the V over 5. So, yung C current times the speed ng between. Okay. So, this is 1 kilometer. So, 1 is equal to C over 5 plus C. Ito, cancel tong C, no? Maka-cancel din si V. So, magkakaroon tayo ng C over 5. So, multiply lang natin ng 5 buong equation. I have 5 is equal to 2C. C is 2.5 kilometers. So, itong distance. Number 30. Yeah. The Villaperte family is pero meron ako isa palang solution dito. Get niyo. And ito. Tingin ko lang tong solution dito. Tingin ko na lang to. Ay, Barbie. The Villaperte family. The Villaperte family is building a house in Bulacan on 400 feet by 400 feet lot. So, ito siguro yung 400 feet by 400 feet. A telephone pole is at the corner of the property. The telephone company will no more than 200 feet of the wire. So, 200 feet. So, ito siguro yung 200 feet of the wire. Without a pole, the family wants to be as far as back from the road as possible, but they don't want to be the right side of the lot, no? So, hindi daw dito sa right side ng lot. Assuming that they will use 200 feet of the telephone wire using the distance of the house from the road as a function of the distance from the side of the lot. How far the road they will be if they are 20 feet from the lot line. Ito siguro yung 20 feet, tapos ito yung x. So, ang nahanap natin yung x. So, ang kailangan lang natin is Pythagorean theorem. So, x squared is equal to the square. So, 200 squared minus 20 squared. So, x squared is equal to next number. Ay, sorry. Different. That is 39, x 39, 600. Tapos, nakita ko, may 99 yung square root. So, divide ko nga ng 99 to. So, that is x squared. X is equal to the square root of 400 times 99. So, that is x is equal to 220 square root of 99. Actually, common factor pa rin yung 99, no? Pwede mo pa siyang simplify. Pwede rin siyang maging x is equal to square root of 3. Pwede pa siya na 60 square root of 11. Pwede rin siya. A golf is driven off the tee, which is elevated 10 meter above the fairway. The initial velocity is 40 meter per second and at an angle of 40 degrees. And then x and then y is equal to 10 meters. Which of the following gives the range? So this is, ito yun. Tapos, ganyan daw. So ito yung range na tinatawag. 40, 40, 10. So may derived formula dyan. So y is equal to x tangent of theta minus gx squared over 2VO squared cosine squared of theta. So, ang y natin is -10 kasi pababa siya. Dito yung reference natin. So, substitute nyo lang. -10 is equal to x. Yung x natin, that is our range. X tangent of 40 minus d, that is 9.81 times x squared over 2 by 40 squared cosine squared of 40. So, x is equal to, ano yung nakuha ko dito? 171.77. Number 30. The capacities of two hemispherical tanks is a ratio of 64 over 125. So ito capacities of is a ratio of 2. If a 4.8 kilogram is required to the paint of 4.8 kilogram is to required surface sir, how many kilograms would the paint outside of the larger tank? So cube lang natin. So, yung sabi, itong 64 is to 125, this is the, tawag dito? This is the capacities. Ibig sabihin, ratio yan ng volume. So, yung assume natin na yung radius 1 is to radius 2, yan yung ratio ng radius, ng capacity na 65. So, kapag capacity, dapat i-cube natin. So, ang ratio ng 1 to ratio ng 2 is the cube root of 64 over 125. That is 4 over 5. Okay? And then sabi, 4.8 kilogram ng tank to paint the outside surface. Ibig sabihin, surface area yon. Ibig sabihin, yung surface area is to the surface area 1 and 2 equal siya sa 4.8 ng kilogram divided by the x. Ito yung sa smaller surface area, at ito yung sa larger. And then yung ratio ng radius squared natin kasi that is surface area. So 4.8 over x is equal to 4 over 5 squared. X is equal to 4.8 over 4 over 5 squared. So that is 7.5 kilogram. Okay, papalito kasi kilogram yung ginamit niya dito. Okay, next, 32, 30. Dito pwede kayo mag-back solve. So, basta alam nyo lang, the area and the volume of the certain sphere are both 4-digit numbers times pi. What is the radius of the sphere? So, di ba ang volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay? So, substitute nyo lang kung 18, di ba dapat 4 over 3? So, substitute nyo kung ang radius ay 18. So, this is 4 over 3 by pi. Tanggalin yung pi. Times 18 cube. That is 7,776. If R is 23 or 21, 23, so the volume 765, 25. Ano to? X na nga lang, power 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 5. So this is 5 digit, mali na. 5 digits, sorry. 5, 23. So this is also 5 digit, may decimal pa. Next. Ito din, 5 digits. So, ibig sabihin, ang tamang sagot is yung 18. And then yung surface area, ano yung area? That is 4 pi r squared. Check na rin natin. So, that is 4 pi. So, that is 4 times 18 squared. So, that is 1, 2, 9, 6, 18 yung sagot. Number 34. The corresponding diagonals of the two similar polygon has a length of 4 is to 5. Okay? So, di ba yung diagonal, proportion natin, yung ratio and proportion natin, if the area of the larger polygon is 75, what is the area ng smaller? And then, ratio natin yung diagonal sa kanyang area, squared natin yung diagonal. So, area ng smaller is 4 over 5 squared times 70. That is 40. Number 35. Suppose, sorry, a baseball diamond is a square whose sides are 90 feet long. Suppose, so drawing natin yung diamond. Siyempre, alam naman natin na yun yung first base, second base, no? This is our home base. This is the first base, second base, and then the third base. Okay? Ngayon, ang sabi niya, whose sides are 90 feet long, suppose the player is running from the second base, ito galing siya dito, to the third base. So, assume natin this is distance x. Okay, so dito siya. So, this is 90 minus x. So, ito yung distance. So, ang sinasabi, tumatakbo siya at a rate of dx is equal to 30 feet per second. At an instant, 20 meters, 20 feet from the third side. So, this is 20. So, yung x natin dito is 70. Okay? So, gamit to, this is 90. Gamit to, gamit tayo ng Pythagorean theorem. So, s squared is equal to 90 minus x squared plus 90 squared. Okay? At what rate is the player's distance? So, ito yon. So, gano'n daw siya nag-change. So, ibig sabihin, lumalapit siya, di ba? Palapit siya ng palapit yung player. So, differentiate lang natin. So, this is 2s ds is equal to 290 minus x times the derivative, that is negative dx, with respect to time plus 0. Okay? So, ang sabi at an instant, yung player daw 20 feet from the third side. Ibig sabihin yung x natin is 70. Okay lang? And then yung s natin, so kung this is 90, this is 20, ano tong s natin at an instant? Square root of 90 squared plus 20 squared, that is 10 square root of 85. Okay lang? Okay, so substitute lang natin. So 2 times 10 square root of 85 times ds. So this is the change nung base, papunta siya sa base. That is 2 times 90 minus 70, that is 20, times negative 30. So ds is equal to 2 times 20 times negative 30 divided by 2 times 10 square root of 85. That is negative 6.508 feet per second. Oy, nakakakalyo dito. Anong oras na kayo? Okay, next. Ang dami pa tayo. Hindi natin matatapos yun. Next week, agahan ko. Yan na tayo. Number 36. Use the differential to approximate the change in volume of the cube. So, syempre, volume ng cube, that is S cube. And when the side is decreases from 8 to 7.9. So, differentiate natin. The dV is equal to 3S squared ds. Okay? So, the change in so the dV is equal to, the change in volume is equal to 3 times S, that is 8, squared, times the ds, that is 7.99 minus 8. Okay, so kasi lumiit, no? So the dV is equal to 3 times 8 squared times 7.99 minus 8. That is negative 1.90. Wait, red naman. Number 37, an electronic store carries two brands of car audio CD receiver. So, one made by Pioneer, sells by, so si Pioneer, so X na lang si Pioneer, YC, Panasonic. Okay. So si Pioneer sells 1290, and then si Panasonic sells 189Y. So magkano sila nabenta? That is 5604. And then yung total nila, X plus Y is equal to 36. And then, calculate lang natin. Pakitry sa calculate. Mode 5, 1. So that is 1290, 189, 5604, 1136. Okay, fraction. So siguro may erroneous dyan. I say. So try natin kung 129, walang 0 sa dulo to. 129 lang. Kasi baka yun lang naman talaga yun. Ayun, lumabas. Baka 129 lang talaga yun. Sumobra ng 0. X is 20, Y is 16. So, ibig sabihin, si Pioneer 20, si Panasonic is 16. So, yun lang, no? Check niyo yung paano magkakaroon ng erroneous. May babawas ba kayo? May dadagdag kayo? No? If the length of the latus rectum of an ellipse is 3/4 of the length of the minor axis, determine the eccentricity. If the length of the latus rectum, so the latus rectum daw is equal to the 3/4 ng length ng minor axis, which is 2b, determine the eccentricity. So, di ba ang latus rectum natin, meron tayong formula na 2b squared divided by a. So, cancel si b, cancel si squared, cancel si 2, cancel si 2. So, ang matitira ho, b over a is equal to 3 is to 4. So, b is equal to the 3/4 ng a. And then kapag ellipse, a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. So, substitute natin si b, I have a squared is equal to 3 over 4a squared is equal to plus c squared. So, c is equal to 1 minus 3/4 squared. So, that is 7 over 16a. And then, ang eccentricity ng ellipse is c over a. So, substitute lang natin. This is 7 over 16a divided by a. Cancel si a. Eccentricity is 7 over 16 or 0. Ba yung lumabas sa akin? Ang spirit ko na ba ito? Kaya. That is 1 minus 3 over 4 squared. Square root of answer, that is square root of 7 over 4 pala. Yung na square root to. So this is square root of 7 over 4a divided by a, cancel. So ang square root of 7 over 4 is 0.6614. Ay, nakaharang yung calcio. Ano? Ulitin na lang natin. Ulitin ko na lang. Okay, ulitin natin. Nanonood din ako, hindi ko nakita. So, ulit. So, the latus rectum is equal to the 3/4 ng minor axis, which is 2b. And then, ang formula ng latus rectum natin ng ellipse is 2b squared divided by a. Cancel si b. S squared, cancel si 2, cancel si 2, si b. So, matitira is 3/4 ng c over a. So, b is equal to 3/4 ng a. Alam natin sa ellipse ay a squared, pinakamalaki, b squared plus c squared. Substitute natin, a squared is equal to 3/4 ng a squared is equal to plus, doon din ako namali kanina, 2. So, therefore, c is equal to 1 minus 3/4 squared, that is 7 over 16. And then c is equal to square root of 7 over 4a. Then the formula of eccentricity ng ellipse, c over a, that is square root of 7 over 4a divided by a, cancel, cancel. Eccentricity is 0.661. Ayan pa. Thank you. Okay, next. 30 na. Nakakalahati na tayo. Kalahati sa CR. A light bulb placed at a certain distance from the surface of the spherical globe of 20 radius, 20 centimeter radius, near a circle, and then illuminates certain distance, siguro dito na, baba na lang natin light bulb. Tapos, illuminates niya daw yung yung 1/3 ng total surface, no? So, given the height, okay? A spherical disc, a radius, lagyan natin ng radius, Barbie. So, this is radius. So, ang radius natin is 20 centimeters. How far is from the surface? So, ito yung hinahanap. Okay. So, ito. So, connect mo yan. So, this is the external distance. So, E, simula dun. Paano siya isa-solve? So, ang sabi, this is the 2/3, 1/3. So, ang area nitong sphere, di ba ang area ng segment ng sphere, that is pi. RH, 2 pi RH. So the area is equal to the 1/3 ng total area ng sphere, which is 4 pi r squared. So cancel yung r na isa, cancel si pi, cancel si 2, matitira ka ng 2 dito, cancel si r. So matitira mo, h is equal to the 1/3 ng 2r times 20. So the h is equal to 1/2 ng 2, sorry, 1/3 pala. 1/3 ng 2 times 20. 40/3. So this is 40/3. Okay, this is 40/3. Okay, paano natin siya sasagot? Pwede natin kunin yung theta na to, okay lang. Tama, isolate ko yung drawing, no? Okay. So, itong distance na to, this is the radius na 20. Tapos, di ba dito yung bilog? Ooh. Perfect. So, itong h na to, na-solve natin. This is 40/3. So, ibig sabihin, ang height nito ay 20 minus 40/3, which is 20/3. So, kaya natin i-solve yung theta na to. Okay lang. So, that is adjacent. So, cosine of theta. Actually, pwede nyo gamitan to ng, ng curve, no? Cosine of theta is equal to adjacent 20/3 divided by 20. Theta is equal to the arc cosine of 20/3 divided by 20, or 70 point, or pwede rin naman cosine na lang. Kasi gagamitin ko din to. Cosine na lang. So, cosine 20, that is cosine na ang theta is 1/3. And then, gamitin natin yung malaking triangle na to. Diba ito yung E? Tapos R to, radius. So, gamitin ko cosine. Cosine of theta is equal to 20 divided by R plus E. Okay? So, R is equal, E is equal to 20 over cosine theta minus R. Okay? So, E is equal to 20 divided by 1/3 minus 20. So, that is 40. So, parang, ano lang din, curve, no? External distance yung nahanap. So, solve nyo sa theta. Kung lisado yung formula. Number 40. A cyclist traveled 2.5 hours at a straight load as a velocity of 18 km per hour. So the distance is equal to velocity times time. So that is 2.5 by 18. Distance is equal to, munti na lang baka may mali. 45 kilometers. Nag-overthink pa dito sa problem na to, no? Ako din nag-overthink. Don't you worry. Don't you worry about a thing. About a thing, mama. It on. Oh, oh, Do you worry about a thing? Si Song Mary. Okay, next. The Department of Energy reports the wind-produced electricity will jump close to 1% of the nation's total electrical output by the year 2010, about 10 times that produced today. Wind farms are springing up many United parts of the United States. A particular wind generator can generate alternating current given as the equation of I is equal to 50 cosine of 125 times t plus 45 pi. So kung makikita nyo may pi, ibig sabihin, dapat naka-radian yon, yung theta nyo, yung time, yung gagamitin nyo ha. Where the t is in time, in seconds, and I is in current amperes, what is the current when the time is equal to 1.09? So input nyo lang siya sa calcu. 50 cosine of 125 times t, which is 1.09, plus 45 pi. So, kung makikita nyo, kapag degrees yung ginamit nyo, negative yung lalabas. Kailangan naka-radian, so that is a mode radian, we will get the 40.45. Hindi ko na. For 42, number 42, from the top of the lighthouse, 175 above the 175 feet above the water. Question natin yan. Okay. 175 above the water. The angle of depression of the boat due south. So assume natin na this is the south. So due south, that is so ito ay 18 degrees 50 minutes. Okay? Calculate the speed of the boat if ito yung south ha, tandaan niyo ito yung north. Moves due west for 2 minutes. So nag-move daw to ng west. Ng 2 minutes. Okay? Calculate the speed of the boat after it moves 2 minutes. So, pwede mo siyang i- Tapos, yung angle of depression, so ibig sabihin, ito din yung angle of elevation niya, which is 14 degrees, 20 minutes. So, assume pwede natin kunin 'to, yung dalawa na 'yan. This is side A and then side B. Tapos right triangle na lang. Pwede tayong mag-Pythagorean theorem para makuha natin yung distance C. So, how to solve for that? That is the sine of 18 degrees 50 minutes is equal to 175 over, sorry, tangent pala. No? Okay, 175 over D. Tama, this is the tangent of theta, opposite over adjacent. So B is equal to 175 over the tangent of 18 degrees 50 minutes. And then the tangent of 14 degrees 20 minutes is equal to 175 over A. A is equal to 175 over the tangent of 14 degrees 20 minutes. So C is equal to the square root of A squared plus a minus B squared. So C is equal to, paki-square na lang, no? 175, square root of 175 over the tangent of 18 degrees 50 minutes squared minus, wait ka daw, 14 pala, divided by 20 minus 175 over the tangent of 18 degrees 50 minutes. Ay, squared na, ano squared? So the x distance is 453.57. So the speed is equal to velocity distance over the time. So the velocity is equal to, divide by 2 lang natin, divided by 2 minutes. That is 226 or 227 feet per minute. Number 43, in the triangle ABC, how far is the point of intersection of the angular bisector from the side C? So, di ba ang intersection ng angular bisector natin is the in center. Okay? So, yung R lang hinahanap natin. Di ba ang formula natin dito is RS? So, ang kailangan lang natin the area and then the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is 15 plus 18 plus 24 divided by 2. The semi-perimeter is 18 plus 15 plus 24 over 2. That is 28.5. And then substitute lang natin sa area is equal to the square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Masusolve natin area is equal to square root na lang, no? Square root ng 28.5 and 28.5 minus 15, 28.5 minus 18.5 minus 24. The area will give us a 134.83. So the R is equal to A over S, which is 134.83 divided by 28.5. So the radius is 4.73 yun. So kapag yun yung nakuha mo, tapos yung choices mo ganito, 100% tama ka na. Kasi pinag-rumble-rumble lang yung choices. Okay, next. Speedrun? Hindi tayo nag-break. Hindi ako rin nagugutom ako. Sorry. Number na tayo. 42. Ano naman yung mga solution na yun? At mga hanggang 50. Ano kayo hanggang 44 na ba? 44 na. Ito common chord, no? Madali naman to, pero may mas madaling way. Determine the length of the common chord of the circle. Pwede rin naman na kunin natin yung intersection ng dalawang circle. Diba kapag nagkaroon tayo ng dalawang circle, tapos kinuha natin yung intersection, yung distance ng dalawang intersection, yun yung distance ng common chord. Okay? So, kunin na natin yung intersection nila. I have x squared plus y squared is equal to 64. In x squared plus y squared is equal to 16x. Ah, hindi ko alam kung saan. Baka minus to, no, or plus. Pwede rin namang minus or plus. I-minus na lang natin is equal to 0. Then, subtract natin yung buong equation. So, I have 16, 0 minus 16, that is 16x is equal to 64. X is equal to 64 divided by 16. That is 4. Okay? So, substitute natin. If x is equal to 4, so, dalawa, isang value lang ng x. So, y is equal to, if x is equal to 4, so y squared is equal to 64 minus 16. Y is equal to square root of 64 minus 16, square root of 48, plus or minus square root of 4 square root of 3. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang value, isang 4. So, ito na yun. 4 square root of 3, plus negative 4 square root of 3, 4, 4. So, distance na lang, times 2 na lang natin yung distance, no? 4 square root of 3, 4 square root of 3. So, the distance is 8 square root of 3. Number 45, a right circular cone is divided into 3 portions. A, B, C, D. At A, B, C, D. Tatlo lang. A, B, C. Na may height na equal sila ng height. Height, height, height. Okay? And the base of the radius of the cone, this is R. So, syempre, this is 2R. This is 3R. Okay? Pero, ang hinahanap lang naman, cone A is at the vertex of the big cone. So, yun yun. So, determine the ratio of the volume ng A to the volume ng B. Yan yung hinahanap nating ratio. So, ako, ang isip ko, pwede naman tayo mag-ratio ng volume. So, the volume ng A is to the volume ng, ito yung malaki, no? Okay lang. Volume ng A plus volume ng B, tama? Itong volume ng triangle A, cone A, tas volume ng cone A and B. Is 2, the H1, this is H, and then this is 2H. Okay? Kaso ni-ratio natin siya sa volume, i-cube natin to. Okay lang? Cancel, cancel. So, reciprocal na lang natin lahat. Pwede rin naman VA plus BB divided by VA is equal to 8. Okay? Cross multiply lang natin. I have VA plus BV is equal to 8VA. Transpose ko sa kabila, I have VV is equal to 7 ng VA. Ang hinahanap natin, the ratio ng VA over BB, that is 1 over 7. Number 46, determine the area of the spherical triangle ABC. So, ang area ng spherical triangle is pi r squared E over 180. Spherical excess is equal to AB plus C plus A plus B plus C, 143 plus 70 plus 88 minus 180. So, the spherical excess is equal to, ang nakuha ko spherical excess, 121. So the area is equal to pi multiplied by the radius of 40 squared times 121 divided by 180. Area is equal to pi times 40 squared times 121 over 180. That is 3378.96. Next, for this. Ito papakita ko sa inyo paano ko siya sinulat. Ay, sorry, ko lang. Number 47, paano ko siya sinolve? Ganito. Pakita ko sa calculus. Basic, siyempre, ako lang siya, tinatamad ako eh. Palitan lang natin yung setup natin, yung nating degree. So, sine, arc sine of 4 over 5. Siyempre, store ko siya sa alpha. Okay? Then, arc cosine ng negative 12 over 13. Store ko siya sa beta. Basic din. Then, ang hinahanap natin, what is the value of sine alpha plus beta? So that is negative 33 over 65. So BCD na lang. Then palitan lang natin ang sign, gawin natin tangent. So that is 36, 33 over, wait, magkamukha yung choices ng B at C. Ano? Magkamukha, no? So letter D. Okay na yan, no? Hindi ka na sulat yung solution natin. For 48, what is the slope of the curve? Y is equal to 2x raised to 4 minus 3x squared plus x raised to 1 half minus 290. What is the slope at x is equal to 2? So y prime is equal to 2. Joke. Derivative pala for 8x raised to 3 minus 3x joke 6x plus 1 half x raised to negative 1 half. So at x is equal to 2, y prime is equal to 52.30. Substitute nyo lang. Find the acceleration of the particle whose position is at x of t is equal to 2t cubed minus 20t squared plus 60t plus 3. So the velocity at any time is equal to 6t squared minus 40t plus 60. And then the acceleration at any time is equal to 12t minus 40. Okay? A computer, John, a computer engineer is twice as old as his wife was when he was as old as his wife now. My God, ito na yung ayoko. Ay, actually, pwede rin naman dyan. And then the wife. So, ako ang tinatandaan ko dito itong word na is, no? Is, tsaka was, no? So, pag was, past tense. No? So, the past. So, this is the now, and then this is the past. Huh? So, ang sabi dito, John, a computer engineering is twice as old as his wife. So, he is 24 years old. Si John now, 24 years old. And then, is twice is twice as old as his wife was when he was as old was, di ba? So, magkamukha daw yung si now, yung wife now, W. Eh, magkamukha daw siya was, no? Past. And then, is twice as old as his wife. So, kalahati. So, twice. Kung ano yung edad nung joke, ang asawa niya, kalahati niya, di ba? So, this is 12. So, kaya kung may iba kayong solution, ano, baka iba tayo ng solution. So, equal lang naman yung edad, yung difference ng edad nila. So, that is 24 minus the wife is equal to the wife minus 12. So, W is equal to 18. That is 36 divided by 2. So, si John is equal to baka 16 yung sinagot niyo. No? Ako 18. Respect me. Charot lang. Hindi, 18 po yung mas. Yun yung alam. Hindi ko sinasabing tama yung akin. May mga nagsasabi din kasi 6. Pero yun yung akin, yung is, no? Now, ibig sabihin is, was, is the past. Sa 51, hindi ko nakopyahin yung choices. Isa-isa na lang natin. Number 51, ito yung walang yan. Tatlo yung hinahanap. Actually, ganito ko siya sinolve, no? Meron tatlong derived formula na dyan, no? Yung formula na yan, may derived na formula na. Pero pwede nyo siya isolve as a rectilinear motion. So, the theta is equal to 37 degrees. The velocity is 20 meter per second. So, ako, palatandaan ko, di ba, igaganyan mo siya. Di ba, ito yun. This is the VO. This is the theta. This is the range. Then, this is the H max. Okay? So, ako, para makuha ko yung maximum height, gagamit ako ng sa ano, di ba? Pagka dito sa maximum height, ang velocity final mo is 0. So, VF squared is equal to VO squared minus sa plus 2AS. So, yung S ko, yung H max, and then V final ko, 0. Ang V initial ko, that is, ito, yung vertical component, that is 20 cosine of, sine pala, sorry. Sine of 37 minus 2G kasi gravity times S. So, which is X. H max natin is 20 sine 37 minus divided by 2 by 9.81. So, the H max, kulang ng squared, 7.38 meters. So, yan yung H max na inahanap. Next, yung range. Hindi pa natin alam yung range. Pwede, R over 2 na lang, no? Or isolve natin yung time. Pwede nyo isolve yung time. Gamit din to. VF is equal to VO plus 80. Okay? V final is 0. Kalahati nga lang tong time, no? Ito times 2 nyo na lang. That is 20 sine of 37 minus GT. So that time is equal to 20 sine 37 divided by 9.81. So that is 1.20. Ay, nakaharang na. Ulit. Okay. So, yan yung figure, no? Ganyan ko na siya sinusolve. Alam ko may mga derived formula na dyan. Ang H max ata is 20 o VO sine, squared pa pala to. VO sine theta squared over 2G. Ito yung H max. Then, yung time, that is, sa times 2 mo yan, ano? That is 2 VO sine theta divided by G. Ito yung time. Sa times 2 nyo. So, the time is equal to 20 sine divided by times 2, 2.45 G seconds. And then for the range, constant naman yung ano, kapag sa ano, constant yung horizontal component natin. So, that is velocity times time lang, VO. So, the distance is equal to VO times time. So, that is VO is 20 cosine of 37 times the time na 2.45. So the distance is equal to 20 cosine of 37 times 2.5. 39.1. So, pang-check mo yung mga derived formula. Next. tayo. Wait na din dito to sa math. Okay. A ride at an amusement park consists of a hollow cylinder with a student faced against the wall. When the cylinder rotates quickly, bakit nandito siya? Quickly, wala siyang number. Paano siya isi-solve? When the cylinder rotates quickly, the students lift her feet off the ground and remain stuck. Siguro nandito yung student. Mga yung, ano, okay? Ayan. So, iikot daw siya yung cylinder. Okay? Ayan. Lift her foot around the ground. In terms of the student mass, may mass yung radius. So, ayan. So, this is the weight of the, ano, no? So, this is the mg, mass times the gravity. Kasi pababa siya, no? And the radius of the cylinder, may radius yan. The coefficient of the static friction is mu. So, ibig sabihin, di ba kapag inikot mo siya sa cylinder, so paangat siya, no? Yung, ano, yung, pababa yung student. So, pag inikot mo siya, syempre yung gravity or yung weight ng tao, pababa siya. So, ibig sabihin, ka-counter rin ng friction. Tama? This is the force friction. That is mu n or mu Fn. So, yung Fn natin, di ba lagi siyang perpendicular sa contact, tama? Yung tao, tsaka yung contact sa cylinder, that is our Fn. And then, fundamentals, determine the minimum rotational velocity while the ride can handle the loudest student. Ano yung formula ng ano natin? Since may umiikot, ano yung gamit natin? Centripetal, no? O centrifugal. Centrifugal force, no? Ay, hindi. So, palayo, centripetal, no? So, umiikot siya. So, away the ano, centripetal. So, yun yung mga forces natin. So, yun yung mga forces na drawing ko na, Fn. So, summation ng forces horizontal or Fx, equal siya syempre saan siya equal? Sa centripetal force, tama? Or the mv squared over r. Naalala to? Is equal to Fn. Okay? And then, summation ng forces vertical is equal to 0. So, equal to 0 yung vertical natin. So, simplify lang natin. Fn mg, tama? So, the weight, that is mg, times, mu n na lang pala muna. Mu Fn, that is mv squared over r, tama? Is equal to mg. So, cancel natin si mg, no? So, the velocity or the angular velocity is equal to gr squared to, ano, divided by mu. So, the angular velocity is square root of gr over mu. Highlight. G over mu r. Ay, sorry. B pala, yung given pala na V dyan, dito is the velocity pa lang, no? Dito tayo. So, V, that is, di ba ang V natin, to solve for the angular velocity, V is equal to RW. Okay. So, substituting mu times the mass times the V, R squared, angular velocity squared, divided by angular velocity pala yung nahanap, hindi velocity, no? Divided by r is equal to g. Cancel si r, cancel, ay mg pala to. Cancel si m. So, matitira is w squared is equal to g over r mu. W is equal to the square root of g over mu r. Ang mura mo. Baka mapantayan. Bad boy. Walang given, ano, tapos kailangan mo i-solve. Ano ba dyan? Pwede na ba yung 52? Sige, ano naman. So, ganun din. Huh? Like, ano na lang next week, agahan na lang natin, no? Mag-whole day ako next week. So, yun lamang po muna tayo. Yung 50, sabi naman kasi ito, walang given eh. Man kasi. Sige, next week na lang po. Yung iba pang problem, na. Thank you. Ingat, good luck. Kung kaya nyo itong i-solve. Next, thank you po. Next week naman, thank you. Bye-bye.